Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with a video about a freebie alert on Neutrogena at Kroger. Now, not everyone is going to be able to get this deal. Honestly, I don't understand why Kroger's doing this. I've never really remembered them doing different sales for different areas, but they actually did this time. So I'm going to talk all about that. You can potentially make money on Neutrogena if you live in a certain area. If you're in like my area, it's going to be 68 cents each. So kind of varies, and we're just going to go through and talk about that. This is a complicated deal. I usually don't do separate videos, but I don't know. Maybe I'll start doing separate videos for deals like this, just as a way to break them down more thorough. So, two different sales here. Amy Stotts passed this deal along last night on the Neutrogena. At her store, they are $6.99. Buy one, get one free. Awesome. Now, I was like, whoa, I'm going to go get these. It's going to be an awesome deal. They're going to be free. But then I saw my store, they're buy two, get one free. And I asked some other people too, and they told me it's buy two, get one free. So apparently this is varying by region. I don't know why they do that. I don't really know why that's fair, because it's all Kroger, so I don't know why they would do that, but that's what they're doing. So have to just roll with it. So buy one, get one free, buy two, get one free. I have scenarios for both ways. So if you're in a buy one, get one area, to make this even more complicated, some stores for buy one, get ones ring up at half price. You should know if your store does this. If you don't, just do a price check. If it says $3.49, you know you're ringing up half price. If it says buy one, get one free, you know it's going to ring up full price, and the second one's $0. So if you're in a half price store, $3.49 times 2 is $6.99. You need to use 2 of the $3 internet printables that I told you guys to print a couple weeks ago. If you didn't print it, you are out of luck now. It is gone. That's why I do those print videos on Sundays, to warn you guys to get the coupons. So if you didn't print it, you're not going to be able to get in on this. But if you did print it like me, you would pay 99 cents out of your physical pocket. Ibotta has $2 back. You get that back for 2 of them. So it literally makes it a $3.01 moneymaker. Crazy. Okay, if you're in a true BOGO where you had to buy one at full price, the second rings up $0, that comes to $6.99. You can only use one of the $3 printables on the one you're paying for. So you'd pay $3.99 out of pocket for 2. Ibotta will give you back $2 on each of them, making them 2 for free. And this is on the Neutrogena Acne Cleanser at $6.99. And you also have some wipes for $7.49, so that'd be 50 cents for 2. You know, lots of different things you could grab. This is when the deal became less exciting for me. So in a buy 2, get 1 free store, you got to buy 3 total at $13.98. You'll use 2 of the $3 printables because you can't use it on the free item. So you'd pay $7.98 for all 3. You get back $2 on Ibotta times 3 because you're getting it back on each. So it makes it $1.98 for 3 or 66 cents each. And that's when the deal wasn't as exciting for me. That's really disappointing, honestly. I don't understand why we all can't have BOGO. I don't get it. I don't really understand why we wouldn't all have BOGO, but we don't. So whatever, I guess. So yeah. That's all I have for now. I hope some of you can at least benefit from that deal. I know it's kind of a lot depending on that and kind of confusing, but that is what the deal is. So, yeah, check out these other Kroger videos if you haven't already, because Kroger's doing really awesome these last couple weeks. Last week of the Mega, so you don't want to miss that. And thank you all so much for watching.